yeah, we have like two different headers we can put in the machine. In this case here, as it's much lower than the SRM, than well, the 3 years, might know. We install the scanning head here, so we don't touch the extra machine used for scanning. Now we have two SRMs that are very on the small machine. I think we have so here, let's check this head how it is. It always you have a protection here. This I think it's coming. I think no one's there, but let's record it just in case. So you see it. Remove cover before scanning because this is the cover. You have to screw here and take it out because you see there is like a super small, super tiny port here. But this is what will scan our piece. This is a scanner. It's a scanner that works by points, so it will detect all points. So you have to put something flat here on the surface. Let's say now you're gonna put like at the end word, and it's gonna scan like point by point, touching all the.
Oh, it goes down and up and up.
It's not a laser.
It's not a laser. It's like mechanical. Okay. Like this proof here, it like when it touches something, it detects like the distance there, and then it goes up. Now we're gonna set it up, okay? So it's by point, no? And here we can get a lot of resolution, but the more resolution we have, the slower it will be, because this will take like a lot of time because it has to take a lot of points. And you go like crazy, okay? Last year, more or less, I did a scan of a wood face that we had to give us something like this tall, and I put it like super high resolution. And I leave it working on Friday, and when I come back on Monday, it was still scanning. So if you want to scan like super good resolution, it can take a lot of time. So really super easy to use. Let's first of all, we need some double side tape to take your board here. Easy. Una actividad. Website tape, it's always the same. Okay.
If you want to do a large scan with this one, I recommend you don't use this computer.
This one?
Do it with your own computer.
You take out time.
Yeah, it will take a lot of time, but like, do you remember when you tried to scan the 3D printed shoe, like it crashed after like 2 days of scanning?
No, that was telling them that we did with the fabricating guys, we did a face, a scan of a wooden face. And it was like a full weekend, but the scan was perfect.
Yeah.
And when it crashes, do you lose what you've done or you have half of it?
Nothing.
Oh no.
No, I'm the same. Like they crash because the computer runs out of RAM memory, like storage memory on the hard drive. So if you don't have a good amount of RAM in the hard drive, you just feel the computer is confused and shut the program.
For it, the software that's used, it's called Dr. Pixel. Let me share screen. Okay, like I spent like a lot of time this morning trying to figure out how to change the units of the software because it was in inches, and there is like no option like preference or anything. You don't have any like unit setting. It's just changing the language of the computer, then it changes the inch. Yeah. I was like looking at forums and everything, and no one put anything, and I got stuck. So in United States English. So this software like super silly to use, really. We can, like, if you press scan, it will scan the whole board, but you don't want to do that because so here in like scanning area, this is a controller that you can like, put it on here, and also you can do everything to the control screen. No. Microphone. It should be. Hello, hello. Yes. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, so here we click scanning area. Now this is the full area of the machine, and we can like make it smaller. So like this, we can just scan the part that we want. Yeah, like ideally you can measure which is the size that you want to scan, do the square, and then here the tricky part is to like center it, no, because we don't know exactly what it is.
We cannot move the head.
What we can do is like imagination. Okay, it's maybe something like this, and I can do begin area test, and it will like make the points that you have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I will need to move it a little bit to the right.
Once he has to go up.
Oh, it doesn't move that like the slow.
It's super
Always
slow.
moves slow.
We cannot limit the height
Yeah.
level it goes.
Yeah, for the here, yeah, but
We already suffered going up and down like 12.
yeah, you see, yeah, like so here is no letter view from up. Okay, I will cancel it now because I saw that I have to like I need to go a little bit down and to the left. Maybe make it a little bit bigger here and to him. Here is the worst part, like centering everything, but now even more.
The legs of the microcontroller are fragile.
No, don't worry.
Maybe you did false.
Don't worry because this like the touch is minimal. So it's not even.
It's gonna break everything.
No, I like this one.
I will check after.
Of course, make a picture before and after. Now it seems like good. This we will set it and then you will see the result in the afternoon. Maybe if you are lucky. Let's see if it's everything inside.
And it would be a lot of work to install like laser instead of that. I don't realize the amount of work doing that.
For us or for those?
For you.
For us, the thing is that then like, you have to make the laser and everything, and then code that people it's just like the laser. But it's possible.
Okay. Because it would be much faster, no?
Because if
Right,
I
just-
just move on okay, the wood, everything is inside the area here.
Okay.
Here we have like scan pitch. It's the resolution we have in X and Y. Like here in that case, we have like 1 millimeter, so if you touches like in the X direction, 1 millimeter, 1 bar. No, if you want more resolution, you will decrease this number, so it will stand like more points. Let's say that now we want to do it maybe with the resolution 0.2 millimeters. It will make a lot of points. But I hope it finishes today.
What's the thickness of the
Like almost nothing. You see, like it's like super sharp. Like the lowest resolution, I don't know which. And here the this is if you have like your model is up from the table, you can set here a distance. I think we have like one because we have like the sacrificial board, and nothing like this it should work. This is if you make, because sometimes you have something that it's not steady, let's say, so you can put like clay or something to put the piece on top of it. This one have, or even for I close it. I if you want to scan a thing like from both sides, maybe you can put it inside a piece of clay or like plastilina, and then scan the first part, then take this out, scan the other part to do the negative, and then return both of them together. Set up limit. This here, I think you can like set where is the like the highest part of the model, more or less. I think so. So I would say that here is the more or less because it's where it will be the like, the connector. So it's the higher part of the piece. Here it's now calculating. Let's see. Touches the highest part. Oof, no, super close. Let's go the other direction. Yeah. So. You see, it has like a safety distance a little bit, but then it should be faster. Okay. So it's okay. You have everything here. You can change the scanning speed and everything. And whenever you're done, you can start the scan. So let's see what happens. So we'll leave the camera there. Now it always scan like this, like it goes down a little bit, it moves to the side. If it touches something, then it will be stopped. Makes like the first of all the like the borders. Let's see if we start scanning now. But it always do four borders. See, slowly. But with good resolution, you can scan a coin, for example. You have like the exact shape of the coin. So,
Is it so slow because of the software or because of the machine limits? Like the machine can go faster.
the machine can go faster. You see, now it's like that.
How does it know that there is nothing in between?
Because well, it passes like this to times to sense if it's anything there, and also like it has a side.
Okay.
It will touch the side.
Oh no, it's coming.
Yeah, now it's scanned. I think it always scans from left to right, so it's better if like if you have your design, it's like bumpy or whatever. Let's say you want to scan like a half of this. Yeah, it's better to put it like this, so that the highest part is on the left. So like this will start scanning here and it can go down. Because if you put it like this, it will hit here, go up, go like, it will go up. So it's better always like to have the higher parts on the left, like this, that we have like the connector there. This like it will take forever. Also, like it goes slow because like the machine can go faster. Let's say it's not super fast, the machine, but it can go faster anyway. But I think it's a thing of security for the probe, because if you go faster, you have like more inertia, and you can like, keep the probe. This is like really yeah, very good time.
Yeah, when it's milling, it goes faster. That is for the scanning.
You see, we already have one line. Like you can preview a little bit how is the scan. Yeah. The preview is not perfect, but you can start feeling how it's scanning. Now we press the view and my
Do you want to see
view
the
is good.
car?
Yeah. It's working scanning. Really, now maybe we're in a part of the sequential board that it's really flat, but if you do it like here, that it's already made a little bit, it will scan also like the line of the area. Here the definition is really, you know, it scans like the direction, see if there is anything.
And so if he hits something, he will measure the height or.
Yeah, that it hits something there, then it knows that there is there. I think then it leaves that and it takes the point for height. So let's leave this here.
Okay.
If you only can go and check I think it didn't even start with the
board now.
with the board itself. But you can see, you can start seeing here the scan.
Wow, the scanning. Si no sabía que estaban
Look, 2 hours, 20 minutes to go.
Okay.
Sí, aquí está. Bueno, es un que pasa.
We've been done with both at the same time.
We've done first with that one.
If it doesn't crash.
I don't think it is right now. It's not that big, let's say. We'll put a lot of points, right?
Yeah, we're para la hora.
I think
So.
you like these tools that are so fast, they need a verify with the camera so you can check without coming.
That's with the octopus that you have today, there is the option to put like a webcam. You can access it. Like in the past, we had some of the regular images, but again, there are many cameras.
Yeah.
Also, like I say, this machine, like to stand with it, like 3 times a year. It's not even getting to the board yet, eh? Almost. We could have done like a better, like a scanning gallery, more close to the board.
Maybe for June is ready.
We hope so.
What is
These bumps here are the double-sided tape.
The what?
The double-sided tape. You can see that we have the double-sided tape. Right?
Yeah.
Get stuck or screwed.
No, it doesn't. Sí, estos bumps, sí.
Ça va rappeler ton clip, ça veut dire la petite
No, because this is not really applied pressure. Like, it's just
No, nothing. You just can scan like a bubble gum.
For my final project, we scanned the woman with this kind of machine, with a much bigger one. She was on the table and it was something like this. Yeah, a long time.
20 hours.
But it was not that much precision.
No, here like we go crazy. I was at 0.2 millimeters for each axis, so it's taking a lot of points. It's going to touch. Next one. Next one, yeah. This one not yet, no? Maybe not even next one. No. Nothing here like the moment. Almost there. Almost touching. Oh,